Welcome to NCCD360. We'll walk through the platform together so you can feel confident navigating the system in your day-to-day work. In this video, you'll learn how to import all your students into NCCD360. Please note that only users with reviewer access are able to upload students to the platform. From the NCCD360 homepage, go to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Import. On the next screen, you'll see two options: Sync Data and Upload CSV. The Sync Data option is only available if your school is already part of the Education 360 ecosystem. If you are just getting started, select Upload CSV. Here, you'll be able to download an Excel template. Inside this template, you can format all your students and their information in the correct columns. It's important that each column is filled in correctly so the import process runs successfully. For this demonstration, I'll use an example spreadsheet where the information has already been completed. Once your spreadsheet is ready, simply upload the file to the system. The system will let you know if there's any errors on the spreadsheet so you can fix it. After the upload is complete, your students will appear in NCCD360 and you'll be ready to start updating and managing your records. Thank you for watching.